Big A. Small, small, small eh. Small.
Small.
Okay, ano yan? Okay, sige.
This boy knows his alphabet well. What you don't know about him is that he has autism. More and more children are diagnosed with this mysterious lifelong condition. In the US, it is estimated that 1 in 150 children have autism. Here in the Philippines, it is said to affect 500,000 families. Good day, my name is Stephanie Lim, and I come from the Philippines, a land of 84.4 million people. 5.4 million are children with special needs. I went to the different public schools in Metro Manila to find out about the challenges and needs of public school teachers in our special education centers in the hopes that I may contribute to the transformation of our educational system. Instead of telling you my achievements and life story, lend me your ears as we listen to the people who will be benefiting from the education I am getting at Columbia University.
Dati ayaw ko rin sa kanila. Sa totoo lang. Kasi ang hirap nila i-handle. There was a time na nagkaroon ako ng may observation. Then, ang titinanda nila, children with autism. Dumating sila, may mga chairs kami dyan. Sabi nung iikutan sila ng iikutan. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko, no? Sabi ni si Konkon sa DepEd, sabi niya, hindi. Sabi niya, Bel, ganito gawin mo. One pupil at a time, 1 hour si isang pupil, another 1 hour for one pupil, and then hanggang sa makonsumo lahat ng time mo, sabi niya. So, hindi mo kinakailangan na i-lesson mo ito ng i-lesson na sabi niya, hanggang sa, dun ko lang naintindihan.
For autism or autistic pupils, we apply the behavior modification, which is really very important for this type of pupils. For example, for pupils who usually do the swaying, the body swaying, we have to always call the attention to stop and make him or her busy.
Yung iba hindi pa toilet trained, yun yung mahirap na part naman sa akin. Kasi diaper pa, so pupupu pa, so tatanggalin nila, syempre bata syempre naiirita sila, tatanggalin nila yung diaper nila, hanggang sa magkalat na yung mga pupu nila dyan. So hanggang mag-end up na lang kami na naliligaw sabay sa CR.
Sadly, here in the Philippines, only 4.8% of the 5.4 million are getting the appropriate educational services they need, which leaves the 4.2 million children unattended. It is my mission in life to help raise this percentage by training teachers, parents, and other caregivers and establishing a centralized curriculum for children with autism and other related disorders. And after being accepted at Teachers College, Columbia University, this dream of mine can soon become reality with your help.
I used to teach pupil with very hyperactive behavior. Sometimes they hurt their classmates, but I ask the help of parents to manage their behavior, to control their behavior, especially in tantrums inside the classrooms. And I try to give some activities that the children like to do so that the tantrums will lessen or control.
For attention seeker students, I have to look at the behavior. It depends upon the underlying cause of behavior of the child. Now, if the child is just want to get the attention of the teacher or others, and then just want to manipulate the other people, what I do is I ignore the child. But if the behavior is due to lack of communication skills or social skills, then I respond to the child.
I'd like to share my pupil
bihira kasi siya pumasok. So, pag pumasok siya, gusto niya yung attention ko nasa kanya. So, pag nagturo na ako sa iba, umiiyak na siya ng malakas. Nagwawala siya. So, ang gagawin ko, bibigyan ko muna ng seatwork yung iba. Tapos, pupuntahan ko siya. Kasi ang gusto niya, lagi niya akong katabi at siya lang ang tuturuan ko. Then, pag nagawa niya na yung work niya, gusto niya naman, sasayaw na naman siya, so magpapasayaw na naman ako sa kanya. Siya lang. Yan.
Kasi karamihan mga Down syndrome, pag hindi mo sila pinapansin kung ano pinagagawa nila, gusto nila palagi mo silang inaasikaso. Then, yung love mo sa kanila, sila lang ang gusto nilang pansinin mo. So, sa dami ng aming pupils, hindi na namin sila maano lahat. So, bigyan namin sila ng mga laruan na sila ay magiging ang kanilang attention.
As I was listening to the public school teachers, I discovered 5 common concerns among them.
If I will be given the chance to talk to the DepEd officials, I would suggest to make a functional curriculum. Objectives that will benefit them even though they are not in school.
I have this complete handouts from yung step 1, ganun. Kaya lang hindi yun minsan nasusunod. So, kasi depende yun sa moods ng mga bata.
What we're using is for the mentally retarded, which we can also apply for the autistic pupils. Usually, there are objectives wherein we can apply, and some that we cannot, because some are very, very low in level.
Dati kasi meron silang training on livelihood program na para maging useful, naman ba sila, magkaroon sila ng sariling pagkakakitaan. So, malalaki po, actually marunong yan eh. Hindi nga lang dito, skills ang nila. Kung lang sana, ma-i-employ, yun ang inaano namin, isa yan. Para hindi mo sila, kumbaga sa, hindi sila sasabihin ng nila, ng family nila, para bang kabigat. Ay, gusto nila yan. Gusto nila yan.
As of now, my class is 12, but they say that autistic classes should be 8 or less. But I have more, so maybe we need more teachers.
Yun lang ang nakakatakot na. Sabi ko, pag nawala kami, sa tingin ko matutunaw na itong dito sa ERS kung walang mag-aano. Yan yung space.